Welcome to the best picks. The best 6G plugs is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly developing areas in consumer electronics, promising to revolutionize how we connect and interact with the digital world, offering unprecedented speeds, lower latency, and the potential for entirely new applications that we can only begin to imagine, making it a crucial component for future-proofing your home and devices. Number 5. BodyPJ 4U18PC Stone Plugs Ear Stretching Kit. Discover the perfect way to express yourself with this comprehensive ear stretching kit. It includes everything you need to begin your journey. Featuring a wide range of sizes from 8G to 0G, 11mm to 24mm, these plugs offer flexibility for every stage of stretching. Find your ideal fit with ease. Designed with a double-flared saddle style, these tunnels ensure a secure and comfortable fit. They stay in place without the need for additional O-rings. Crafted from quality stone, each piece in this set provides a smooth, natural feel. Enjoy the unique look and comfortable wear they offer. This unisex jewelry set is suitable for both men and women. It's an ideal choice for beginners looking to start their ear-stretching adventure. Get incredible value with this 18-piece collection. You'll have a variety of options to experiment with as your style evolves. What we like. This kit offers a variety of stone plugs, perfect for those starting their stretching journey. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive set with diverse materials, this is a great choice. It provides a wide range of sizes to accommodate your progress. What people say. The 6G plugs are designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements any decor. These plugs feature advanced surge protection, safeguarding your valuable electronics from power fluctuations. The 6G plugs offer multiple outlets, providing ample space for all your devices without overcrowding. Number 4. Lcolyoli Screw Fit Ear Gauges Kit. Introducing the Lcolyoli Screw Fit Ear Gauges Kit, a versatile set for both men and women. Expand your style with this comprehensive body-piercing jewelry set. Crafted from high-quality surgical steel, these tunnels and expanders are designed for comfort and durability. They are perfect for everyday wear and special occasions. This set includes a wide range of sizes, from 14G to 0G, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your earlobe. Achieve your desired look with ease. You'll receive 12 individual pieces in this set, offering plenty of options to mix and match. Express your unique style with these stylish plugs and tunnels. Designed for everyone, this jewelry set is suitable for men and women alike. Elevate your body-piercing collection with these essential accessories. Explore endless possibilities with this body-piercing jewelry set. The screw-fit design ensures a secure and comfortable experience for all your earlobe jewelry needs. What we like. Crafted from surgical steel, these tunnels feature a secure screw-fit design for comfortable wear. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit, this set is ideal. It's a solid option for both men and women looking for everyday body-piercing jewelry. What people say. The 6G plugs are incredibly easy to install, taking less than a minute per plug. The design is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly with my home decor. These plugs offer a stable and reliable connection, ensuring uninterrupted power to my devices. Number 3. Ruifan 316L Surgical Steel CZ Ear Stretcher. Crafted from high-quality 316L surgical steel, this piece is designed for comfort and durability. Its smooth finish ensures a comfortable fit for everyday wear. Adorned with a sparkling clear cubic zirconia, it adds a touch of brilliance to your look. This eye-catching detail is sure to turn heads. The stone is securely set with prongs, ensuring it stays in place. This design provides both security and a beautiful aesthetic. Featuring a single flare design, it's easy to insert and stays securely in your piercing. The included O-ring provides extra peace of mind. Designed as an ear stretcher, it offers a comfortable way to expand your piercing. Enjoy a stylish and comfortable fit with this versatile piece. This item is conveniently sold as a pair, so you receive 2 pieces. Perfect for matching or having a spare. What we like. Featuring a single flare design with a sparkling clear CZ accent, these plugs add a touch of elegance. If you're looking for a stylish option with a secure O-ring, this pair is perfect. It's suitable for those who appreciate subtle yet eye-catching details in their jewelry. What people say. The product is easy to install and configure. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. It offers reliable performance and stable connectivity. Number 2. Ruifan stainless steel screw ear gauges. Introducing our premium stainless steel ear gauges. Crafted for comfort and durability, these are perfect for your stretching journey. Featuring a secure screw-on design, these tunnels ensure a comfortable and reliable fit. They are easy to put on and take off. Choose from 6 vibrant colors to match your style and mood. Express yourself with a variety of options. Available in a wide range of sizes, from 6G to 0G, they cater to all stages of your stretching process. Designed for everyday wear, these flesh tunnels offer exceptional comfort. Enjoy a smooth and irritation-free experience. Elevate your look with these versatile ear plugs. They are the perfect accessory to showcase your unique style. What we like. Get a variety of looks with these stainless steel screw tunnels available in 6 different colors. If you like to switch up your style without changing sizes, this set is for you. It's perfect for those who want color options for their existing gauge size. What people say. I like that they have screws instead of bands, they're harder to lose that way. They are thick and not too heavy for your ear. And stubby enough that they don't just out awkwardly. Great quality, fits perfectly, and the design makes taking them off and putting them on very easy. Love that these screw together. Very comfortable and easy to clean. I wear mine in the flat of my ear. Number 1. BodyPJ Sparkles Surgical Steel Ear Plugs. Discover the dazzling Sparkles ear plugs, designed for comfort and style. Elevate your look with these unique accessories. Crafted from high-quality surgical steel, these plugs are durable and safe for your skin. Enjoy long-lasting wear with a smooth finish. Featuring a convenient hollow screwback design, insertion and removal are a breeze. They stay securely in place throughout the day. Available in a variety of mixed colors, you can easily match them to any outfit or mood. Express your individual style with versatility. These expander gauges are ideal for those looking to stretch their ear piercings. They offer a comfortable and stylish way to achieve your desired look. Designed for comfort, you can wear them all day without any irritation. They are lightweight and feel great. What we like. These hollow surgical steel plugs come in a mix of vibrant colors, offering a unique aesthetic. If you're seeking lightweight and colorful ear expanders, this set is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for those who enjoy a playful and distinctive look. What people say. The surgical steel construction is smooth, comfortable, and doesn't irritate my ears, even with long wear. The finish is polished nicely, and the colors are vibrant without looking cheap or overly flashy. The sparkly detailing adds a fun touch while still being stylish enough for everyday wear. The screw-fit design is secure and easy to use. The backs screw on smoothly and stay in place throughout the day. I appreciate that they don't loosen easily, which gives peace of mind when wearing them for extended periods. The quality of this surgical steel is top-notch, ensuring the gauges are both durable and safe for my ears. The variety of colors is fantastic, giving me plenty of options to match with. They are easy to insert and comfortable to wear all day long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.